Hi, in this video, I'll explain two important tax rules, both designed to prevent the tax tricks. So when you sell the stock at a loss, you're allowed to use the loss to reduce your taxable income. And that's a smart tax strategy. But what if you purchase the same stock again right away just to stay invested? This is where the wash sale rule comes in because you just washed the loss away by repurchasing the same stock too soon. The rule says if you sell the stock at a loss and purchase the same security 30 days before or after selling it at a loss, the loss is not allowed for tax purposes. It's treated as a fake or temporary sale. For example, let's say you purchase the shares of a company A for 100. Later, the stock drops to 60. You sell it thinking, great, I'll claim a loss of 40. But within 10 days, you purchase the same stock again at 60. Now the tax system says, no, that's a wash sale. You can't claim this loss of 40 right now. Instead, your new purchase price becomes 60 plus 40, that is your loss, equals 100, which is your new adjusted cost basis. So when you sell it next time, that's when you can claim this loss. Now, understanding this point further, imagine this, the stock price rises up to 120 and you sell it. Your capital gains will now be 120 minus 100, which is adjusted cost basis, gives you a gain of 20. So indirectly, your original loss of 40 reduced your future profit and you save tax later. Now let's look at the opposite situation where you're sitting on profit but you don't want to sell because you would have to pay tax. So instead of selling, you use a trick. You lock in your gains by entering into a contract like short sale or short futures or options which guarantee your sale price. And this sale is known as a constructive sale. The tax system states that if you take a position that effectively locks in your gain without the risk of any price movement, you will be treated as if you sold the asset and you must pay tax now. Let's understand this better with an example. Let's say you bought shares at 100 and now they are worth 200. So you want to keep them holding but at the same time also lock in your profit. You enter into a futures contract or short sell on the same shares. So even if the prices fall, you're protected. Now you have essentially locked in a gain of 100. The tax department sees this and says you have effectively sold the position and removed your risk. So we'll tax you on the gain of 100 right now. To sum it up, wash sale delays your tax loss if you buy it too quickly after selling, and constructive sale accelerates your taxes on gains if you lock in profits without selling. Both rules are designed to prevent people from using shortcuts to reduce their tax bills unfairly. Hope this made it simple. See you in the next video.